Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple beanie. For this purpose, I am using acrylic yarn. It's a robin double knit yarn and it's 100% acrylic. We need a 100-gram ball for this beanie. For this project, I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook, and we also need needle, measuring tape and a cutter for this project. So to begin, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook, and then start your base chain. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and complete your base chain according to the desired size. I have made 42 base chain because I am making this beanie for child size. So make chain 1 to start your first row. Wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn. Now pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the next chain, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern and go into the third chain and make half double crochet 3. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet 4. Go into the next chain and make half double crochet 5 and complete 34 half double crochet stitches. After completing 34 half double crochet stitches, 8 chains are left. Into these 8 chains we are going to make single crochet stitches. So single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3 and complete. Mark the first single crochet stitch with the stitch marker. Make single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7 and single crochet 8. If you are making this beanie for adult size, you can make 10 or 12 single crochet stitches for this part according to the yarn size you are using. So make chain 1 and turn your work for second row and go into the back loop of our first single crochet stitch. Pull the yarn and make single crochet stitch. Remember to work into the back loops only and make single crochet 2. Into the next one make single crochet 3. Into the next one make single crochet 4. Into the next one make single crochet 5. Into the next one make single crochet 6. Into the next one make single crochet 7 and remove the stitch marker, and into this last one make single crochet 8. Now again mark this single crochet stitch, and by working into the back loops only, now change your stitch to half double crochet and make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end. This is our half double crochet 4. Complete total 34 half double crochet stitches. After completing 34 half double crochet stitches, make chain 1 and turn your work and repeat the second row again. Wrap the yarn, go into the back loop only of our first stitch and make half double crochet. Again into the second one, go into the back loop only and make half double crochet 2. Into the next one, go into the back loop only and make half double crochet 3. Into the next one, half double crochet 4. Into the next one, half double crochet 5, and complete total 34 half double crochet stitches by working into the back loops only. Now again for this part we are going to make single crochet stitches. So remove this stitch marker and go into the back loop of our first single crochet stitch and make single crochet 1. Then go into the next stitch and make single crochet 2. Into the next stitch single crochet 3. Into the next stitch single crochet 4. Into the next stitch single crochet 5. Into the next stitch single crochet 6. Into the next stitch single crochet 7. Into the next stitch single crochet 8. So by working into the back loops only, complete 8 single crochet stitches. And then for the fourth row, make chain 1 and again turn your work and continue making single crochet stitches into the back loops only. So this is our single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7. Remove the stitch marker and make single crochet 8. Again add this stitch marker to this last single crochet stitch and now continue making half double crochet stitches for next 34 stitches by working into the back loops only. This is our half double crochet 2, half double crochet 3, half double crochet 4, half double crochet 5, and complete 34 half double crochet stitches and continue repeating these third and fourth rows, second, third and fourth rows again and again until you reach the desired size. After completing your patch, you can simply fold your beanie and you can take your measurement. Its measurement is 7.5 inches, which is 15 inches in round, perfect for 0 to 3 month size. So now remove this stitch marker and pull the extra yarn. Pull a long yarn tail because we are going to use this yarn tail to join our two sides together. So to join our two sides together, first of all go into this starting chain, first chain, and then go into the first stitch of second side and join these two sides together. Don't overdo any stitch and don't skip any stitch. Gently go into the second and second stitch of both sides, then third and third stitch, and then fourth and fourth stitch of both sides. At one end we are going through our stitch and at the other end we are going through our chain. So after going through some stitches, pull the yarn and then continue weaving your two sides together like this, and join this till the end. After joining this side, you can see how it looks after joining. Now we are going to gather the top part. So first of all, make a knot here to secure your work, and after making a knot, leave this yarn, and with the help of this second yarn, we are going to gather this part. So with the help of needle, go upside down and downside up like this by skipping two rows, as you can see in the video. And gather your top part. So now close this gently. After closing, you can see a small hole here. Now with the help of this yarn, weave this hole. With the help of needle, by going back and forth, and after weaving this part, as you can see in the video, you can simply make knots of these two extra yarn. Make tight knot to secure your work. I am making 3 knots. Then you can simply take your yarn to the inner side and then simply weave this extra yarn to some backside stitches, and after weaving this yarn, you can simply cut this extra yarn with the help of cutter. Weave this second yarn by repeating the same pattern. So now you can simply fold this brim part. So it's a super simple and easy beanie which you can make for kids, and also you can make this for adult. Its height is 7 inches and it's stretchable, so you can try this. And you can also add a pom-pom here, which is optional. So if you like this pattern, must try. If you have any questions about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.